Hey guys, I was at this farm right here. It's called Sweetberry Farm. The shack right over there. You can get the strawberries and stuff. And guess what I saw? This. It's a John Deere 400. There's more, like right there, as you can see, but this one and all that. This one, the John Deere 2150. On here, exhaust right there. That's all the gears and the driving thing, and the light right there. Some big tires though. There's these, all that, and then there's this one, it's a Ford. Pedals. And there's some more way over here. See if I can show you really quickly. I think this is somebody's property. I don't know if I'm supposed to be on here though. That's something that tractors pull. Here's another tractor. Exhaust and all that. Lights. It's a John Deere 5310. All that. All over here. There's seats. Then there's this thing which waters the plants. Right here. Then there's this one, which is a John Deere 2150 again. Alright guys, I was around this farm and I was way over there strawberry picking. It's way in the back there. Anyways, I saw these and I figured I would stop and show you guys and stuff. So you saw the John Deere in my house, some more trailers. So my John Deere, and figured I would show you guys the bigger ones, the bigger equipment. But anyway guys, I'll see if I can make some more videos and stuff, and there's another one in there, right there. Anyway guys, take care.